Whenever I sit at my desk, I at least read about 40 pages of a book. So today, I'm going to share some of my tips on how to read faster. To read faster, if you're a beginner, you need some basic things. These are as follows. A quiet place. Normally, if you're a speed reader, you can read anywhere, even if it is a very loud place. But when you are a beginner, you need a quiet place. This can be any place, your room, your roof, or a free period at your school. This is the place where you will start to collect your thoughts and you will start the book of your choice. Termination. After 20 minutes, you can start to get bored and you will probably start scrolling through your social media feeds. Well, just don't, because if you do, you will never be able to speed read again. And another tip I want to share with all of you is you can just lock away your digital devices or give it to your mom or something, I don't know. An interesting book. The content in the book is what makes it all up. And if the content is not interesting, then neither are you interested in the book. So if it is your first time reading a book, pick up a beginner book or something. Don't go too advanced, as you will probably get bored and you will never be able to read again. If you have done the things that I said correctly, you should get into the flow of the book. If you have experienced it for the first time, it will be like a portal to a whole different world for you, and the experience will be surreal. I remember when I experienced it the first time, it was pure silence. It was tranquilizing, if I do say so myself. After a day or two, when you probably have fallen in love with reading, you will need to enhance your skills to reach the next level. So the first thing you need to do to enhance your reading skills is not reading out loud in your head. When you think of it, it doesn't make sense at all, but when you use it, it makes a lot of sense and is very useful. The key here is to not read the words in your head, just see them and think of their meaning, and this should take a fraction of a second. It will look easy at first, but being consistent will be very hard for you. So yeah, when I first did this, it took me a lot of time to do it. Spoiler alert, it took me 2 weeks to do it. So if you have the guts, you will do it, and you should do it. Use an indicator. If you are reading a physical copy of a book, you can use your finger as an indicator, and then you won't get lost in the words. However, if you are using an e-reader, you can highlight the last sentence read by you. Bold text. Whenever there is a very logical book, you have a summary in it. But when you are reading a book that is not related to any science or technology, you have headings, bold text that represent the main ideas and concepts of that particular book. So yeah, it is suggested that you read the bold text present in a chapter or a book. But is the key here to really speed read, or is it to speed learn? Well, if you want to do both, then you should read more often, because then you will be able to get the best of the both worlds. You will be able to speed read and you will be able to speed learn as well, and you will be able to comprehend everything. So yeah, that is what I would like to say. You should just read more often and read more challenging paragraphs and articles. Then only it will be able to really sink into it, and you will be able to sink into it, and the speed reading and speed learning, both of them will coexist. So yeah, so that are my suggestions on how to read speedily, if that makes sense. This is Ashmit, and we'll catch you in the next one.